How to see one other viewers or other viewers from your Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for doing that, we just have to go on our Facebook app and then let's find a story that I had posted recently. So I will go to my profile because I don't have a story right now. So I will click on those three dots and go to archive, and then from here click to story archive. And then here I can see all the stories that I posted. So let's click on the first one. And then let's click to viewers. 154 viewers. So now let's scroll down. As we can see, we already have 10 other viewers. So let's scroll down and then let's type on this question mark, which is in the right bottom corner. And let's read this. Since this story is public, people you're not friends with can also see it. You can change your story settings anytime. So guys, if you don't want other people to see your stories, like people who you are not friends with or people that sent you friend requests and you didn't accept that, so that means they are following you and they will see your stories. So if you don't want to do this, we just have to go on our settings and change the story settings. So it is possible to see those 10 other viewers. I think this is your question. So my answer is no, you cannot see those other viewers. It is not possible, unfortunately. But like I said, you can always go to your settings and change that. So yeah, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.